TV. I'm your host, Atania Chester. On today's show, we'll have all the scoops on the latest gossip. We'll be right back on Mix Up TV. Mix Up TV, Welcome back on Mix Up TV. Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez, Jelena, has split the heart in two. Finally, they're not together. Now that's over, let's cut to the chase. Are the rumors really true about Nicki Minaj? Is she really pregnant? You can comment on Facebook at Mix-Up TV Jamaica. We'll be right back on Mix-Up TV. Hi, and welcome to this session of What's Going On in Jamaica. Today we'll be talking to one of the victims who caught hand, foot and mouth disease. Here is Casey. She'll tell us about the hand, foot and mouth disease.
I run down the cow with my foot, I catch the cow with my hands, and I bite the cow with my mouth. And that's how I catch it.
Okay, parents, please avoid your children or your child from getting hand, foot and mouth disease. And now let's get back to Atanya.
No.
Remember to subscribe for more episodes on Mix Up TV.
That's all.
Bye.